The Partlow 732602000021, which is a member of the MRC 7000 series of chart recorders, is a product not seen very often these days. Most monitoring equipment saves data and can be printed on demand, but there are still applications where a round chart of temperatures is needed to maintain a process. This recorder came to us with no control over the pen arms, which required a full rebuild, and then a full test of the reading was conducted, and as shown, everything worked fine. ERD has fixed a number of recorders over the years, from this thermal print type to the real old ink versions, so if it is still needed, we stand ready to repair your chart recorder. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.